Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate your beautiful energy. You've been such a beautiful cosmic contribution to this call. Now, I would recommend that you just wait about an hour or two to just rest your mind and to integrate all the processes that we've run. You may be so blissed out right now that it may be even difficult to speak the human language. So it's okay, you could just speak light language. Take a little mental break right now, away from your computers and the stressors and the electronic devices, and just allow yourself to soak up this light and to restructure your brain, to recalibrate your bliss brain. Get you out of that monkey mind and into the field and frequency of pure platinum bliss. Thank you all for being with me on the call today. I really appreciate your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Actually, this weekend is my birthday. Aw, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you too. So yeah, I'll be having a birthday celebration this weekend virtually. So I was guided to just put everything half off in this store. So if you've missed any of the chakra activation programs, you can just pick up where you left off. And remember, the replays are always available in the Ascension Store library. So hopefully they'll be easier and more affordable for you to practice, mindfully meditating and just drinking the light in from all of the recordings. So I hope you'll celebrate my birthday with me in this way. Come play with me anytime. And thank you so much. Yes, thank you for a happy Earth birthday day. Okay, well, I love you all. I appreciate you all, and I'm so grateful for your presence in my life. And look forward to seeing you soon. Okay, blessings. Namaste.